like that. So as I kind of pull back on it, then it really starts to become clear. Outer renal cortex, inner renal medulla. The medulla consisting of renal pyramids separated by renal columns. So here's a renal column, and again, what are you like, well, what are those things in there? Blood vessels coming up through there, that kind of thing. Here's, for each of the renal pyramids, remember that little tip of it is going to be called the renal papilla. So this is a renal pyramid, renal column, renal pyramid, renal column, renal papillae right here. Now this tissue right here, that's the calyx, right? So like right here, you can see here's the renal pyramid coming down. We've cut halfway, or think about this, we've cut through this. So the other half of the renal pyramid was right here. This wraps around it this way. This is that adipose tissue that I was talking about in the renal sinus that's kind of supporting that network. Here you can see that tissue kind of coming down, right? And connecting with other tissues coming from over here. So this is where like these minor calyces are going to start to form these major calyces. All of those are going to kind of converge here at the renal pelvis and then ultimately flow out into the ureter.
And you said obviously these are pretty much indistinguishable on this, like the minor and the major.
Yeah, I generally, like what I say is like if I pin that, either call it the minor calyx or call it a major calyx and I'm happy. You know, as long as you put one of the two terms, then I'll take it. But it's really, and you'll see how, I mean, the more pressure you put on that, bending it back, the more obvious it becomes in terms of those structures. And I can do that. I mean, I can take little dissecting pins and put them through there for the lab exam so that, you know, it really does pop out like that.